convenes our Honorable Chief Guest of this LUINGAINI Festival, Honorable Chief Minister, also the President of the Naga People's Front, Dr. Nipiriu, the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, my friend Luso Diko, senior colleagues from the party central office, also the advisor to Chief Minister, Uncle Chingwang Kunyak, Uncle Apong Bungoner, my colleagues from the central office, my friend Mr. Jendelson, the elected members from the state of Manipur, the tribe presidents from both Nagaland and Manipur, the citizens of Ukhrul city, and the tribe representative from all length and breadth of the Naga homeland here in the South Nagaland. I also bring greetings from the central office in this LUINGAINI festival. And since the time is running out, I'll speak only for 2 minutes. We have important speaker coming up in the person of our Honorable CM who will elaborate in detail. I can only say that Nagas today, as we have struggled all along to live together as one political entity, as one people in the community of nation, where our forefathers, our elders have laid a foundation, a very strong foundation to live as one people. And today, if we contextualized the LUINGAINI festival, bringing all the Naga tribes together in the form of one festival, sowing seeds together. We have sown seeds together. Our forefathers have sown seeds together to live together as one people. Unfortunately, our people are now divided into various administrative blocks, both in India as well as in Myanmar. You will find in India, even in India, in Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, and Arunachal Pradesh. And some of the, not some, major chunk of our people lies in present-day Burma. To the dear Nagas, beloved Nagas, I only wished to urge upon and impress all of you that the foundation that our forefathers have laid for us is to live together, is to think and to work as one people, not as divided people, not as divided homeland. That foundation we must all keep in mind. In today's narrative, if you see, there are a group of people, a group of individuals, and even organizations trying to change that narrative that the Naga journey has taken this much long, and therefore we must now deviate from the original course. I would like to caution all of us to be mindful of such narrative, of such process. The moment we start thinking of dividing ourselves, the moment we start thinking, working towards dividing our Naga family and Naga homeland, there lies our setback, there lies the danger for our people. And therefore, it is my endeavor and it is my appeal to all of us gathered here, as well as those who could not make it today, that Naga people dream of living together cannot be forgotten, and we must keep on with that journey. The road, no doubt, in the course of our journey is bumpy, but just because it is bumpy, we don't get down from the vehicle. We tighten our seatbelt and move on. And therefore, to the Naga people gathered today, it should be a responsibility that Naga's dream, Naga's desire, and most of all, Naga's right to live together as one people should be carried on, and we must work towards that goal till we achieve. Last to our neighbors, neighboring communities, the desire of the Naga people, the right of the Naga people to live together is not at the expense of their rights. And therefore, on this day, LUINGAINI Festival, I also would like to appeal to our neighboring community that Naga people have experienced enough hardships from the early 40s, 50s, or 60s. And therefore, it is our desire that we live together as neighbors with peaceful coexistence. And to have that peaceful existence, we must respect each other's rights, both political as well as land rights. And therefore, on this occasion, I would like to appeal to our neighboring communities that we must learn to live together as good neighbors with peaceful environment. And Nagas are a very patient people. Nagas are a very accommodative people. But at the same time, our patience should also not be tested. And therefore, now, from now on, this is a new year. We have a lot of effort to put in to make our dream realized. Let us hope that with our collective and concerted effort, our dream will be realized. Thank you and Gugnalim.